Hello everybody, Nick Haggerty with Century 21 Haggerty here. After our last video, we asked for some ideas and what people would like to see, and of course some things we run into here with the Property Management Division of Century 21. And one of the big ones here in El Paso, Texas is it's hot outside, right? So a lot of people want to know how can we best make, if we have the refrigerated air, how can we make sure that we're keeping that running at the optimal way, okay? Number one of the biggest issues we have is the filter. We need to be changing that filter. It's extremely important that we're changing it. We really want to be doing it every month. Even if you have one that says, hey, it can go a little farther, up to 3 months, whatever the case is, El Paso also has a lot of dirt. So it really traps it in there and we're gonna get that going. Before we go into actually changing this filter out, I wanna go through a couple of different specifications of the actual filter. I have in my hand a brand new filter for this air conditioning unit. All right, a couple things we want to look at before we change the filter out is the size. Does the size fit the actual unit? Here I have 16 by 25 by 1. All right, on the side here it's going to say it again, 16 by 25 by 1. I'm not even looking, and I know it says 16 by 25 by 1. It's all over this thing because they want you to get the right size. So when you come through here, you'll grab the old filter, go to Lowe's or Home Depot or wherever it is you decide to go, and boom, you just find one that looks exactly the same with the exact size. Another thing you want to be paying attention to other than the size is an arrow. All right, this arrow is not on every single side, but you do have it. In this one, for instance, you've got it on 2 sides. You find this arrow and you make sure you're putting this towards, the arrow needs to be pointed towards the airflow, okay, towards that unit. And we're gonna go through that right now as we change this filter out. Real time, change a new filter out for the old filter. Gonna be fun. All right, Richard has found the location of the air conditioning unit. He is assessing the situation and deciding where is that filter location. Here it is. We open the flap to this newer unit and we have now found, surprise, surprise, a dirty air filter. As you can see next to the brand new filter, it's disgusting. We're gonna take the brand new filter. We've looked at the size, it's already the same. We've found our arrow, it's pointing towards the unit. We open the flap, simply insert the brand new filter in, close the flap, presto, presto. We're good for 30 days. Thank you, Richard. All right, everybody, thanks for watching the video. I hope we helped you out with a couple things. A couple of key points that I want to get out there before we finish up is that not every unit's the same, okay? That filter location, not exactly the same place every time. Just like you saw with the lovely Richard, when he was checking that size, they're not always the same size either. Those are very important things to keep in mind. And it's just like changing the oil in a car, right? If you do this monthly routine maintenance, you're gonna avoid serious damage to either that car or this unit. And a very important thing to point out, in the state of Texas, if you're a tenant in the state of Texas, you're responsible for changing that filter, okay? So make sure that you're getting that done so you can avoid a large charge down the line. Once again, thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions, please reach out to us on Facebook or go on our website at c21rentals.com. Thank you and have a great day.